Hi, this is Looking Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2010 Subaru Forester, stock number 6616. This ran from the second 2008 to the second 2011. It has an EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door, 2 dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, 1 dent. Right front door mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.